Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can cut, trim and split a video on TikTok, and it's pretty simple. So yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping. If you guys also want to know the trick, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do it in the easiest way. And yeah, if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified when our new video comes out. And let's start the video. So first, click on this plus icon because we want to upload a video. Once you click on this plus icon, you have two options. You can either record a video using your TikTok's camera, or you can choose it from your gallery. So let me choose it from my gallery. I'm gonna go on upload over here. So over here, choose the video which you want to upload. You can choose as much as you want. Let me choose the two videos over here. After choosing the two videos, I can click on next. After you come over here, you can click on where it says default. Once you click on default, it's gonna show you the clip. It's gonna be lined according to the one you picked. Like the first one you picked is gonna be at the first, the second one you picked is gonna be at the second, and so on. So if I want to change its positioning, I can just hold on one of the clip and drag it over here like this. So the one on the second is at the first now, and the one on the first is at the second now. So basically that's how you can adjust the timing. Now if I want to trim the video, basically what I can do is just like drag this timer over here, drag this timer over here. Now the middle part over here between these two brackets are only going to be uploaded. So that's basically how you guys can trim a video like that as well. So after it's done and I like it, I can just click on next. Now over here I can add voiceover as well over here, and the voice effect by clicking on it, and some filters, some stickers, text, anything I want is going to be over here. So after I put everything I want from over here, I can click on next. Once I do that, I can come over here where I can add some description over here to the video and add hashtag or even tag somebody. And after doing that, I can click on post and my video will be posted. So that's basically how you guys can do that. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day. And yeah, my video has just been like uploaded over here just like this. So yeah, have a nice day.